hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome back to the week of member appreciation. Guys, I am doing songs that has been recommended by my members via email, comments, PayPal, or Ko-fi. I think that's where they all come from. And I moved them up to the top of the list, and I am doing it. So I actually just did a song that was dedicated to one of my members, and I realized that I may have not picked the best of songs because the quality was a little off. So with that said, I wanted to do another dedication to the same person by another song that they had requested. And let's see. So this song is by the Trashmen. Interesting group name, and it's called Surfin Bird. Bird is the word. Okay. 1963. Okay, guys. You know what we are about to do if you are part of the family, aka you already subscribed. But if you are new to the channel, definitely put me on pause. Get your beverage of choice. Hit the subscribe button. Consider becoming a member. And then we will do a chair on a count of three. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. All right, guys. So the Trashmen, Surfing Bird. Bird is the word. 1963. Let's go.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a winner.
Okay. I will go back. All right. So this is going to be a good one. This is going to be a very fun one. All right, guys. Let me go back. I didn't expect that. All right. Let's go.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. The bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird. Bird is a word. Oh, well, the bird. Well, the bird is a word. Oh, well, the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird. Well, the bird is a word. Oh, well, the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird. Well, the bird is a word. Oh, well, the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a word. Oh, well, the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, 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 don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody's talking about the bird. Well, the bird. The bird's a winner. Well, the bird.
What is happening right now? I don't know what I just experienced just now. This is what speechless is. The Trashman Surfing Bird. Bird is the word. Okay. I'm a little bit blown away. I don't even know what to say right now. That was extremely original. I've never experienced any songs, anything like this before. So it says 1963. The beat is fire. The beat is amazing. This guy how amazing are you to sing a whole song that all you say is bird is the word? That's absolutely amazing. Um, I have no words. I actually enjoy it. That's a crazy thing. Like I'm blown away. I don't know what I just experienced, but I do like what I just experienced. So it's just like I don't even know. Bird, bird, bird. Bird's the word. It is very, very catchy. I know I'm gonna be downstairs. All of a sudden I'm gonna be like bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. What was that? Um, so that is my first time reaction. Like I said, this song was dedicated to one of my members who was telling me about their fond memories of the song. This is definitely a catchy song. This is definitely a song that I guarantee that sometime in the week I am going to be humming that song. I definitely know that. But it was the first time I've ever seen a video like that. So it's going to take me some time to process. And that is just my real and honest reaction. The Trashmen, Surfing Bird. I also, like, I'm very curious to hear more of his song. It's Trashmen with the E, so it means that there's more, but I only see one person in there. So, I am curious to find out more of this song. But Trashman Bird is the word was a very unique song. I have to say it was very unique, and I will say that I know I am going to be humming that catchy tune in my head later in the week. But the video and everything, I'm a little thrown off. I have to be honest. Wow. Okay. Let's continue our week of um a week of appreciation for the members. Guys, honestly, this video, this song, everything just threw me off. So yeah, I'm gonna collect myself. I'm gonna see you guys in the next reaction. Bye.